Sure. So I handle po yung collections natin, the inside collections, and then we do research. So my role here is to convert both the collections and the research into an exhibition. So yung kasama ko naman si Nina, yung kaninang part ng program. She's our museum educator and fundraiser. So she handles our education programming and create the necessary fundraising for all the panel projects that we have. Pakita na kita kasi dito muna tayo papasok sa kwarto na to.
Nandito sir yung archive.
Yes po. Yan po yung una kayo papakita. So that is really not an open area sa everyone. Of course, this is a special tour. Ay, ito muna. Okay po. So sir, everyone, welcome po. So dito po muna tayo.
Ito mga senior.
Welcome po. Dito muna tayo.
Here po. Pasok po kayo sa bahay natin. Kandinas niya na ang ulam.
Everyone, welcome po.
Beauty queen namin.